Welcome to Absalvers. In this video, I will show you how to clear YouTube history, how to reset YouTube, and how to reset YouTube recommendations. To do that on mobile, open YouTube app, tap your profile icon, tap settings icon, tap manage all history. Press delete. You can delete history selectively or completely. You can also turn off YouTube watch history by selecting this option, saving your watch history. And here press turn off if you want to turn off watch history. And you can also auto delete history after a certain period of time. To do that, choose an auto delete option. And from here select auto delete activity older than and then select time period. After you select a time period, click next and press confirm. And for PC, go to youtube.com, click your profile icon, click your data in YouTube. Scroll down, under YouTube search history, click manage your YouTube search history. From here, click delete. You can delete today's history, you can select custom range, or delete history for all time. After doing so, your watch history will be cleared and you will get new recommendations from YouTube algorithm. Next time, YouTube will recommend you videos based on your new watch history. You can also turn off YouTube watch history by clicking this option, saving your watch history. Press turn off. Click pause button. And if you want to auto delete watch history, click this option, choose an auto delete option. Select this option, auto delete activity older than, select time period, press next button, then press confirm button. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.